Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Tower game is probably one of the most engaging and strategic experiences you can have in the world of mobile gaming, offering a unique blend of quick reflexes and long-term planning that keeps players hooked for hours on end. Whether you're a casual gamer looking for a fun way to pass the time or a hardcore strategist seeking a new challenge, this game provides an accessible yet deep gameplay loop that rewards both quick thinking and careful resource management. Its intuitive controls and visually appealing design make it easy to pick up, but mastering the intricate tower building mechanics and outsmarting opponents requires a level of skill and dedication that will keep even the most seasoned players coming back for more. Number 5. Hasbro Gaming Jenga Original Wood Block Game. Dare to risk it? Pull out a block, place it on top, but don't let the tower fall. This wooden block balancing game has been loved for generations. With a simple setup and easy-to-learn rules, it offers just the right amount of challenge. It's a great game for impromptu fun with family and friends. Liven up any party with this portable game. It's perfect for family game night, icebreakers, and kids' birthday parties, bringing suspense, surprises, and laughs. This classic game includes 54 precision-crafted wooden blocks. The easy-to-use stacking sleeve helps players build the tower perfectly every time. No friends around? No problem. You can play solo, practicing your stacking skills and trying not to let it come tumbling down. This classic game makes a great holiday or birthday gift. It's suitable for kids aged 6 and up. What we like. This is the original wood block game that has been loved for generations. Its simple setup and easy-to-learn rules make it perfect for impromptu fun with family and friends. If you're looking for a timeless classic that guarantees laughs and suspense, this is the one to choose. What people say. The wooden blocks feel solid and smooth, not rough or splintered like cheaper versions I've tried before. The size and weight of the blocks are consistent, which makes the game feel fair and predictable. It's simple, timeless, and somehow always hilarious. The genuine wood feels great in your hands, and the suspense of each pull. Perfect for all ages, easy to learn, and endlessly replayable. The blocks are smooth and it's fun to play. There is no big breaks or unevenness in the blocks. Overall a very good product. Meets expectations. Number 4. Meland Marble Run Sets for Kids. Introducing the Meland Marble Run Set, a thrilling STEM building toy designed for endless hours of creative play. It's packed with pieces to build amazing marble tracks. With 113 building pieces, 30 glass marbles, and 10 LED lighted marbles, the possibilities are limitless. Construct various towers and watch the marbles race through exciting slides and funnels. This set offers no fixed shape, allowing kids to freely create their own designs. Whether it's an easy, medium, or hard mode, they can build marble runs suited to their age and imagination. More than just fun, this educational toy enhances hand-eye coordination, logical thinking, and creativity. It also helps develop color and shape recognition, and spatial imagination. Crafted from solid, non-toxic ABS plastic, this marble run is built to last. Its smooth edges ensure safety, and the pieces stay securely connected for uninterrupted play. Packaged in a gift box, this marble game is an ideal present for birthdays, parties, or any holiday. It's a fantastic alternative to other STEM building toys. What we like. This set offers a vast number of pieces, including exciting LED marbles for added visual appeal. It encourages open-ended creativity, allowing kids to design various marble run configurations. If you want a STEM toy that sparks imagination and provides hours of engaging, educational play, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It has been a great birthday present and I will definitely be looking into expanding the set with more pieces. Excellent toy for kids that love to explore and learn. Such a great learning toy while having a great time. This is compatible same run as the more expensive National Geographic one. The lighted marbles are very cool, but as some people already mentioned, they need to be smaller and heavier to not get stuck. Perfect for sensory seekers, endless fun. He loves watching the marbles twist, turn, and race down the tracks, and the movement and sound keep him completely engaged. The set is sturdy, easy to assemble, and allows for endless creativity. He loves building different designs and experimenting with how the marbles will flow. It's also a great way to encourage problem solving and fine motor skills while keeping him entertained for hours. Number 3. 48 PCS Tetra Tower Balance Stacking Blocks Game. Gather your friends and family for an engaging game that's perfect for 2 or more players. It's a fantastic way to connect and have fun together. This game helps children sharpen their mental skills, improve hand-eye coordination, and build concentration and patience. It's an amazing conversation starter for all ages. Step away from screens and immerse yourselves in this exciting balancing challenge. It encourages focus and teamwork, making it a great alternative to digital entertainment. Looking for a way to liven up your next gathering? This game is an excellent choice for parties, fostering interaction and creating a lively atmosphere. It also makes a wonderful gift. Crafted from safe ABS material, these blocks are built to last. Unlike wooden alternatives, they won't chip or wear down, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. The set includes 48 colorful stacking blocks in 4 vibrant colors, a sturdy base, and 22 draw cards to guide your game. Get ready for hours of stacking fun. What we like. This game comes with 48 colorful blocks and draw cards, making it ideal for group play and team building. It's a fantastic way to encourage communication and social skills away from screens. If you're seeking an interactive game that promotes collaboration and is perfect for parties or family gatherings, this is a great option. What people say. You have to think and figure out how to balance. Quick game 2. Good size for storing or travel and easily set up to play. Not only you can stack upwards but also sideways. The game can be played with the cards it came with or do a freestyle and pick whatever shape you want. Endless gameplays and stacks. Number 2. Tower Stack by Relatable. Get ready for some serious fun with Tower Stack. This exciting game is perfect for family game night, testing your balance and strategy skills. Join the fun that everyone's talking about. It's a viral hit for a reason, bringing families together for hours of laughter and screen-free bonding. With colorful blocks and challenging cards, you'll build your way to victory. It's perfect for ages 8 and up, making it a great addition to any occasion. Everything you need for endless entertainment is included. You'll find blocks, cards, and all the tower pieces to start your battle. This game is brought to you by Relatable, creators of fun for the whole family. Discover more exciting games and toys for all ages. Challenge your friends and family to see who can build the tallest tower. Will you claim the bragging rights? What we like. This game has gained popularity for its fun and engaging gameplay, making it a viral hit for family game nights. It promotes screen-free bonding and offers a strategic challenge that tests your balance and nerve. If you're looking for a trendy, interactive game that brings families together for laughter and friendly competition, this is a must-have. What people say. The components feel sturdy and well-made, with smooth edges and a solid tower base that holds up to repeated play. The blocks are lightweight but durable, and the cards are thick enough to resist wear and tear. Setup is quick and gameplay is easy to learn, with a pace that keeps things moving without dragging. Kids ages 8 and up can jump right in, and adults will get hooked too. The design is simple but clever, with bright colors and a clean layout that makes it easy to follow the action. It's engaging for all ages, from younger kids learning coordination to adults who love a good challenge. Number 1. Tetra Tower Game 64 PCS Balance Blocks. Introducing the Tetra Tower game, a fun and engaging activity for the whole family. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, offering hours of entertainment and learning. This game helps children develop crucial skills like balance, logic, and hand-eye coordination. Through playful interaction, they enhance their thinking abilities and patience. Our game introduces young minds to the concepts of balance, colors, and shapes. It encourages creative building and fosters a sense of accomplishment as they master new skills. We've enhanced the game with thicker, more durable cards and a larger, sturdier box for easy storage. Enjoy a long-lasting and convenient play experience. With 64 vibrant, individually molded shapes, this game is visually captivating. Made from safe ABS material, it ensures durability and worry-free play without paint chipping. Looking for a unique gift? This stacking game is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic alternative to traditional board games for parties and family gatherings. What we like. Featuring 64 visually intriguing, molded colored shapes and improved, durable cards, this game offers a captivating experience. It's designed for safety and durability, surpassing traditional wooden blocks. If you appreciate a game that is both aesthetically pleasing and built to last, offering a robust challenge for all ages, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The pieces fit together nicely and the game feels sturdy overall, so it holds up well even after multiple rounds. It works for players of different ages and skill levels. Younger players can enjoy the satisfaction of making a stable tower, while older players and adults will appreciate the strategy of placing pieces carefully to avoid a collapse. The fast setup and quick rounds make it perfect for playing with friends or family when you only have a few minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.